Okay, so I'm leaving home. I'm going home now, and look what the bird did to me. Alright, clean it out with this product. Quick detailer. Let me shake it. Open it. Spray it a little bit. Let it sink in. Use a microfiber slowly and wipe it up. Subscribe, give a like. Thank you. Okay, so now it's nice and shine. It works pretty good. I use this and it keeps it clean. Let me try the bumper a little bit. Microfiber cloth. Wipe it out. Yeah, it looks nice. The whole car looks nice now. It's a great car. It's manual. You got power when you need it. Comfortable seat. It's a really nice car. 7 years already with it. Almost 100,000 miles. It's still ride like new.